Just interrupt that to get you the latest as far as IndusInd Bank's numbers. They're just coming out as we speak. Net profit coming in at 430 crores. We were working with an estimate of 420 crores. Net NPA at 0.33%. We're seeing provisions at 73.2 crores. This is versus 110 crores on a Q-on-Q basis. Net NPA, like we said, is coming in at that 0.33%. The stock is up over 2% as we speak. I'm being joined by Nilesh Parekh, Associate Director, Wholesale Capital Markets at Edelweiss. Nilesh, thanks for joining me. Let me start off with the headline figures that we're picking up right now in terms of the net profit. First, what are you making of that?
Yeah, so it's marginally higher than our estimate. So we were working with a number closer to about 421 crores. So it's coming at about 430. And at the operational level, the net interest income is largely in line with what we were expecting. So I think a pretty good set of numbers, but broadly in line with estimates.
Okay, so then I want to break this up in terms of the net and the gross NPAs, Nilesh. The gross NPA coming in at 1.08, net NPA at 0.33. That is flat, is coming in unchanged. What are you making of that?
Yeah, so largely, and this is a trend that we've seen over the last many quarters, and being more retail-oriented bank, I think, and we generally on the industry side, we haven't seen too much of pain on the retail side. Plus, I think, the entire pain on CVs that we had kind of bottomed out over the last couple of quarters. So I think marginally, improvement that we are seeing of 3-4 basis points on the gross NPA side is a reflection of that. Yeah.
Okay, I want to talk to you about net interest margin, and one of the concerns also that we are sort of working with, according to a lot of the analysts that we've surveyed, of course, is that slippages are expected to rise, expected to stay within a manageable range, but definitely expected to rise. The net interest margin, we're working with a 3.7% figure. What are your own thoughts on that?
Yeah, so it's broadly come in line with that. Margins, my sense is, we haven't seen the final print on that, but looking at the net interest income, I think the margins are in the 3.7% range. On slippages, considering what we're seeing on the gross NPA and on the net NPA side, I think it should be measured, yeah. So it should not be too out of whack, yeah.
We're waiting for the management to speak. Ramesh Subte, of course, is addressing the press. In fact, we're getting live visuals of that. The management just about to start addressing the press conference. Anything specific you want to hear from that?
No, so I think in terms of the entire trajectory going forward in terms of the retail piece is something that we would probably want more clarity and thoughts from the management. And obviously the breakup on the fee income side, yeah.
So the fee income is something also that, we're watching out for. Is there some sort of figure that you're working with? Any estimates you can give us?
Not really. I think in terms of the entire split between the forex and the investment banking, I think that is critical because that's slightly been lumpy and a bit volatile, yeah.
Okay, a couple of more questions before we let you go. I want to talk to you about, the loan and deposit growth. The figure we're working with is 26%. You were talking about retail business. We're working with a similar figure of 26% as far as the banking and the forex business goes. Are these largely in line with what you're watching out for as well?
Yeah, very much in line, yeah.
All right, Nilesh, I'll have to interrupt you right there. The management of IndusInd Bank speaking. Let's listen.